everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. It's Wednesday, that means it's Herbalife Shake Day. Today, we're gonna have Rick's very favorite shake of all time, the Pina Colada. I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. We are starting off with the vanilla protein drink mix, the Pina Colada Formula 1, but you can make this with vanilla Formula 1 if that's all you have. No big deal. We're also going to be adding in 1 cup of ice. I have 10 ounces of water in the blender already. We're going to flavor this up with some of this. This is like that Mio. It's like a water flavorizer. You can get it in the same section of the grocery store where you get the little Crystal Light drink packets. And we're just going to be using about a teaspoon of this. I use a long squeeze and that's all. And that's like on the instructions, it tells you that's what you would use to flavor a bottle of water. We're going to use 1/4 cup of frozen chunk pineapple, 1 tablespoon of instant sugar-free vanilla pudding, and a capful of coconut extract. This cap is approximately a teaspoon. If you have a small bottle, that's going to be about a 1/2 teaspoon. So in order to get started, we're going to come over here to the blender. And the first thing I like to do is do the long squeeze on this drink mix. And I'll show you what I do. I literally just squeeze it, count to 5. And that's all I do. Sometimes you're going to get a little more, sometimes you're going to get a little less, but this really has an important place here because it really does boost the pineapple flavor of your shake. Now we're going to add the coconut flavor, and we're just going to use a capful of this coconut extract. This is the best coconut extract, and you guys, not sponsored or anything, I'm just letting you know, you can buy directly from the Watkins people on their website. They have the best extracts and they have really good specials every month too.
Can smell it already.
And then we're going to add our dry ingredients. Yeah, I always like making his his Pina Colada shake because it smells so good. So there's our Formula 1 and our protein powder. Our pudding mix goes in. And then we're just going to blend it on stir. And I wanted to mention too, you guys, sometimes I'll go in here while it's running very carefully with my silicone spatula because sometimes these powders like to stick to the side, and just push them down because you know what, you paid for it. You should use it all. Sometimes we don't want that goodness to stick to the side of the blender. Then I'm going to hit the whip button for a few seconds. That's going to help blend everything and get it nice and thick. Now we're going to go in with our frozen fruit and our ice. And you can put all of these in at one time. And then we're going to blend this on whip for about 30 seconds until it's nice and thick. And that is our Pina Colada shake. There's your pour. You can add a capful of rum extract in here and it'll really taste like a pina colada. So, you know, just letting you know that. Adding rum would be counterproductive, I think. Don't you think?
Just a little.
Just a little. Now all you need is a straw and you're ready to go with all of that beautiful deliciousness. So that is how you make an Herbalife Pina Colada healthy shake. If you're so inclined, you can top this off with a little sugar-free whipped cream and you really feel like you're indulging. That is the best part to me about these shakes. You seriously do not feel like you're deprived one bit.
They taste guilty.
They taste like you're being bad and you're losing weight at the same time and you're getting healthy because they're full of all the nutrition that you need. And how's that a bad thing? So I'm just sharing what's working for us. If you're interested in more information about Herbalife, I'm going to leave some information down below in the description box. If you need further information, please feel free to instant message me on Facebook, direct message me on Instagram, or send me an email to either info@noreenskitchen.com or my new email for Herbalife, which is herbalifecoach@noreenskitchen.com, and I will be so happy to help you get started on a path to optimal health. I'm excited to do that with you. If you are on the Herbalife plan, give it a try. If you're thinking about being on the Herbalife plan, don't forget everyone who signs up as a preferred member on my team will get automatic attention from me. You will get weekly updates, weekly check-ins, personalized help, and you'll also get a great download of shake recipes that I'm so happy to share. So I hope you give this Pina Colada Herbalife Healthy Shake a try. I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.